Hello, my name is Ika Lestari. I'm from Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Thank you for giving me a chance to present my my manuscript entitled about science literacy. And please give me a chance to show or share screen. This. My manuscript entitled Learning Loss Analysis on Science Literacy for Elementary School Students in the COVID-19 Pandemic. Learning loss is currently caused by school closures during the COVID-19 pandemic, which is not only happening in Indonesia, but the other countries. For example, in Netherlands, the result conducted on the performance of primary school students in the Netherlands. The assessment is carried out during the national examination held before and after the closure of schools and compare the results with the results in the national examination of the previous 3 years. The results show that elementary school students had lost learning by about 3 percentile points or a standard deviation of 0.08. The effect is equivalent to 1 until 5th of the school year, loss of up to 60% are greater among students from families whose educational background are less educated. Based on the result of a preliminary study that has been carried out on 107 grade 4 elementary school students in Banten, DKI Jakarta, and West Java, it was found that students, when doing assignments from school, were assessed by fathers as many as 5.35%, assisted by mothers as many as 48.15%, assisted by sister or brother 6.42%, and doing school works not assisted by adult or alone 46.01%. The table 1 so that mother is the most people who assessed their children when the COVID-19 pandemic happened. And then for table 2, so that Indonesia has participated in PISA since 2001. Since then, performance in the field of science has fluctuated, but overall remained flat. While performance in reading and mathematics has been hum safe, reading performance in 2018 fell back to 2001 after its peak in 2009 saw an increase, while mathematical performance fluctuated more in the early years of PISA but remained relatively stable since 2009. Although PISA involves 5 years old students, the cultivation of concept has been applicable since students are of primary school age as an initial readiness step in improving self-competence. The pandemic will be negatively correlated with the PISA score of Indonesian students, both in the fields of reading, numeracy, and science, due to limited countries, not only in Indonesia. Science literacy is an interesting thing to study during the COVID-19 pandemic, which is so based on PISA results. So a flat score from 2006 until 2018. In addition, in 2015 and 2018, 18, it shows the lowest position compared to the ability to read and mathematics, so that it may becomes a competency that needs to be studied further. For methodology, our manuscript used a quantitative descriptive approach with survey technique and the instrument like science literacy test. And then this research involved grade for elementary school students from three school, namely Sekolah Dasar Islam Terpadu Al-Kautsar Cikarang, Jawa Barat, Sekolah Dasar Negeri Karawaci Baru 3 Kota Tangerang, Sekolah Dasar Negeri Duren 301 Pagi Jakarta, Indonesia, as many as 107 students with distributing 16 description test numbers to measure science literacy. For test literacy, we have follow indicators of science literacy from Cicerone and Carvalho and Bybee, because they said indicator of their indicator of science literacy in line for elementary students. So we have a decision to use their indicators. For the result, science literacy possessed by students is only limited to simple tasks that have not yet reached the ability to relate a concept or learn the cause and effect that occurs in an event. The figure 1 explain the factors causing the low science literacy of elementary school students can be seen from 3 factors, namely parents, teacher, and school. Parent support is an important factor in a child's education. Parental sports enhance children's learning and play an important role in children's academic success. Some parents who have sufficient time, pedagogical skills, and resources, provision of facilities such as the internet and smartphones, can support learning at home and do not experience difficult. And factor from teacher, it depends on lack of varied learning process, limited learning time, at least technological ability. And then from school factors, about the learning environment, geographical conditions, and geographical condition of the school. The conclusion, school closures cause learning loss in the science literacy of elementary school students because of factors of parents, teachers, and school. Parents factor can be seen from the sufficient time provided by parents in accompanying children when learning. Pedagogical skills can be seen from passion in teaching children and methods of teaching that are easily accepted by the child, as well as the availability of resources such as the presence of smartphones and even laptops at home largely determine the success of distance learning. The teacher factor can be seen from the varied learning process due to the limited resources owned by student and teachers, so that learning for area that are difficult to reach by the internet can only be done with the limited face-to-face learning. Example, students come to submit and receive assignments to school, so that learning feedback cannot be done intensively. Then the learning time is limited for both online and face-to-face one is limited. In online learning, students' ability to face a laptop screen cannot be too long, and the ability of technology that is minimally mastered by the teacher determines the selection of media or platform used when online or distance learning. Okay, thank you for my presentation about my manuscript, and bye-bye.